10 years ago, I invested $50,000 in a secret stock, and today I'm a millionaire. My kids are happy, living a comfortable life, and I enjoy the freedom that financial success brings. I even have 2 or 3 girlfriends. This story begins back in 2015 when I made one bold decision that completely changed my life. The story begins in 2015, a year that looked ordinary to the world but became life-changing for me. Back then, I was living a typical middle-class life with a modest job, limited income, and big financial dreams. I had saved up $50,000, and everyone around me advised the same safe options: buy a house, get a car, or put the money into fixed deposits. But I had a deep interest in finance. I enjoyed reading balance sheets, understanding business models, and studying long-term market trends. One late night, while doing intense research, I came across a secret stock. It wasn't famous, it wasn't discussed on TV, and most investors had completely ignored it. But when I looked closely, the fundamentals were incredibly strong: consistent revenue growth, almost zero debt, visionary management, and a product that had the potential to disrupt the entire industry over the next decade. Most importantly, the market was undervaluing it. I decided to take a bold risk and invested the entire $50,000 into that single stock. Friends called me crazy and warned me about diversification. My family was worried. Still, I trusted my research more than noise. The first 2 years were tough. The stock moved up and down, and there were moments when I questioned my decision, but every quarterly report strengthened my belief. By 2018, the company achieved a major breakthrough: new technology, international expansion, and sharply improving profit margins. The stock began to rise steadily. In 2020, when the market crashed and panic was everywhere, I didn't sell. Instead, I learned one of the most important lessons in finance: trust data, not fear. By 2022, my investment had multiplied several times, and that's when I truly understood the power of compounding: money making money, and that money making even more money over time. Today, 10 years later, I am a millionaire. Financial freedom has completely transformed my life. My children are happy and secure, with access to quality education and a strong future. I have time for my family, time for myself, and time to enjoy life. Yes, I also have 2 or 3 girlfriends, because confidence and independence naturally attract people. But the real happiness doesn't come from money alone. It comes from clarity and smart decisions. The lesson from my journey is simple and powerful: no shortcuts, only research; no rumors, only fundamentals; and above all, patience. One well-researched decision made in 2015 had the power to change my entire life by 2025. In finance, there is no magic. Discipline, knowledge, and time are the real keys to success.